Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. And today we have a very special episode.
Yes, today we are talking about Eid Ul-Fitr 2026. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak. In today's episode, you will learn how to talk about your Eid plans in natural, simple English.
You will also learn what to say before Eid, during Eid, and after Eid.
So if someone asks you, what are your plans for Eid? You would know exactly what to say.
Let's make this easy. Let's make this fun. Let's go. Okay, welcome. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike, and you are watching Easy English Podcast.
This is the place where we talk like real people, slowly, clearly, and naturally.
No textbooks, no boring grammar rules, just real conversation.
Exactly. And today is a happy one.
It really is. Eid Ul-Fitr 2026. Sarah, are you excited?
So excited. I love Eid. It feels warm and joyful and special.
Me too. And we are going to share all of that energy with our viewers today.
But first, a small favor.
If you are new here, hello, welcome to the family. Please hit that subscribe button.
It's free, it takes 1 second, and it really helps our channel grow.
And if this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up.
And share it with one friend who is learning English. Just one friend.
Okay, now let's talk about Eid.
So, Mike, Eid Ul-Fitr 2026. Why is this so important?
Great question. Eid Ul-Fitr is one of the biggest celebrations in the world.
Millions of people celebrate it. In the Middle East, Asia, Africa, Europe, America.
Everywhere, it's truly a global celebration.
And Eid Ul-Fitr comes after Ramadan, after 1 full month of fasting.
So when Eid arrives, it's a big moment, a moment of joy.
People plan special things. They visit family, they eat amazing food, they wear new clothes.
And they talk. They talk a lot with family, friends, neighbors, colleagues.
And that's exactly where English becomes so useful.
Right. If you work with people from different countries or if you travel, you need to talk about Eid in English.
Or maybe your English teacher or colleague asks, "How was your Eid?" And you want to give a great answer.
Today, we make sure you can do that easily and confidently.
This episode is for everyone. Whether you celebrate Eid or not, this English is useful for you.
So stay with us. Let's start practicing.
Okay, Mike, let's start with before Eid. Someone asks you, what are your plans for Eid?
Good question. So I can say, I'm going to visit my family.
Perfect. Simple and clear. Let's break that down.
I'm going to. This means future plans, something you will do.
For example, I'm going to visit my parents. I'm going to travel. I'm going to rest at home.
All very natural answers.
You can also say, I'm planning to. That's another great phrase.
I'm planning to have a big dinner. I'm planning to go to the mosque.
Viewers, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm going to visit my family for Eid.
Say it slowly. I'm going to visit my family for Eid.
Beautiful. Now try your own. What are you going to do for Eid?
Think about it and write it in the comments later. We want to know.
Now, let's talk about Eid morning. Mike, what do people do on Eid morning?
Well, the day usually starts early. People wake up before sunrise.
They get dressed in new clothes, special, beautiful outfits.
And then many people go to Eid prayer. It's called Salat al-Eid.
It's a special prayer that happens in the morning, outside, in big open spaces, or in the mosque.
And the feeling is amazing. Everyone is there, neighbors, friends, strangers, all together.
You can say, on Eid morning, I went to the mosque with my family.
Or we prayed together and then hugged everyone.
Yes, Hugging is a big part of Eid. People hug and say Eid Mubarak.
And if someone says Eid Mubarak to you, what do you say?
You say Eid Mubarak to you too. Or thank you, same to you.
Short, warm, natural. Perfect.
Stay with us. We'll practice more phrases again at the end of the episode.
Sarah, one of the biggest Eid traditions is spending time with family, right?
Absolutely. It's probably the most important part for most people. So, how do we talk about this in English?
You can say, we spent the day with family, or we visited my grandparents.
Or, my whole family came to our house.
I love that one.
Yes, my whole family, that means everyone. Grandparents, aunties, uncles, cousins.
Everyone under one roof.
You can also say, it was so nice to see everyone together.
That's a really warm sentence. It was so nice to see everyone together.
Viewers, can you say that? It was so nice to see everyone together.
Try it. It's a great sentence for any family occasion, not just Eid.
Birthdays, holidays, gatherings, you can use this everywhere.
Okay, food time. Sarah, this is your moment.
Yes, I've been waiting for this. Eid food is incredible.
So tell me, what do people eat on Eid?
Oh, where do I start? First, sweets. Lots and lots of sweets.
Like what?
Mamu, those little cookies with dates inside. Kak, cookies with sugar powder on top. Baklava in some countries.
Baklava. I love baklava. It's so sweet and rich.
And for main meals, usually lamb or chicken, big pots of rice with spices.
My favorite is the lamb, slow cooked with rice. Amazing.
And every family has their own special dish, something only grandma makes.
Oh yes, Grandma's secret recipe.
You can say, my favorite Eid dish is my mom's lamb and rice.
Or, every Eid, my grandma makes something special. I always look forward to it.
I look forward to it. Great phrase. It means you're excited about something that is coming.
For example, I look forward to Eid every year. I look forward to seeing my family.
Perfect daily English right there.
Let's stop for a quick vocabulary moment.
Word number 1, celebrate. To celebrate means to do something happy and special for an occasion.
We celebrate Eid every year. Easy.
Word number 2, gather. To gather means to come together in one place.
The whole family gathers at Grandma's house. I love that image.
Word number 3, look forward to. This means you are excited about something in the future.
I look forward to the holidays. I look forward to seeing you.
Word number 4, joyful. Joyful. It means very happy, full of joy.
Eid is a joyful time. Beautiful word.
Keep these words. They are useful all year, not just at Eid.
Sarah, tell me honestly, what is your perfect Eid day?
Oh, okay. My perfect Eid day starts slowly. I wake up, I get dressed in something beautiful.
Nice.
Then I go to Eid prayer with family. Then we come home and eat breakfast together.
What for breakfast?
Sweet things. Kak, dates, tea. I love a sweet Eid breakfast.
Interesting. For me, I prefer big lunch. I'm not a big breakfast person.
Really? We are so different.
But that's okay. Different families have different traditions, and that's what makes Eid beautiful.
Exactly. There is no one right way to celebrate.
Viewers, what about you? Do you prefer a sweet breakfast or a big lunch on Eid?
Tell us in the comments. We're curious.
Sarah, beyond the food and the clothes, what do you think makes Eid truly special?
I think it's the feeling. The feeling that everyone is happy at the same time.
That's beautiful. Say more.
Like, You walk outside on Eid morning, and everyone is smiling. Everyone says hello. Strangers feel like friends.
Yes, that community feeling. Everyone is connected.
And for children, it's so magical. New clothes, Eid money, sweets, staying up late.
Eid. We talked about this before. Eid is the gift of money that adults give to children during Eid.
Children love it so much.
You can say, when I was a child, I loved getting Eid. Cute sentence.
Or, the best part of Eid when I was young was the Eid money.
Viewers, do you remember getting Eid as a child? Write it in the comments.
Those are such happy memories.
And that feeling of happiness, you can express it simply in English.
You can say, Eid makes me feel happy and grateful.
Or, I love the energy of Eid. Everyone is in a good mood.
In a good mood. Great phrase. It means feeling happy and positive.
Today, I'm in a good mood. You can use this every day.
Okay, now let's talk about real situations. How do you use today's English in real life?
Situation 1. A colleague or classmate asks, "Do you celebrate Eid?"
You can say, yes, I do. It's a very special time for my family.
Short, warm, natural. Perfect.
Situation 2. Someone asks, what did you do for Eid?
You can say, "I visited my family and we had a big meal together. It was wonderful."
That's a great answer. 2 sentences says everything.
Situation 3. You want to wish someone a happy Eid.
Say, Eid Mubarak. I hope you have a wonderful celebration with your family.
So kind and thoughtful. They will really appreciate that.
Situation 4. Someone looks tired after Eid. You can ask, did you have a busy Eid?
And they might say, "Yes, we visited 3 houses in one day."
That's very common.
So much food, so many hugs, so many houses.
The answer to how was your Eid doesn't need to be long. Even it was wonderful, thank you is perfect.
Short answers are okay. Long answers are okay. The important thing is you say something.
All right. Let's go over everything we practiced today.
Before Eid, how to talk about your plans, I'm going to, and I'm planning to.
Eid morning, greetings, prayer, new clothes, Eid Mubarak, and we prayed together.
Family time. We spent the day with family. My whole family came together.
Food, feast, sweets, lamb, rice, and Grandma's secret recipe.
Feelings. Joyful, grateful, warm, connected, in a good mood.
Key phrases. I look forward to. I was so happy to see. It was wonderful.
And vocabulary. Celebrate, gather, joyful, look forward to.
Wow, that's a lot for one episode.
But it felt easy, right? Because we'd practiced together, like a real conversation.
That's always the goal on Easy English Podcast.
Learning English doesn't have to be hard. It just has to feel real.
Now, it is your turn to practice.
Yes, we want you to write in the comments. Don't be shy. This is your practice space.
You can copy one of these sentences and complete it.
Number 1, for Eid, I am going to blank.
Number 2, my favorite Eid tradition is blank.
Number 3, Eid makes me feel blank because blank.
Number 4, when I was a child, my favorite part of Eid was blank.
And if you don't celebrate Eid, that's completely fine. You can write, I don't celebrate Eid, but today I learned blank.
We read every single comment. Every one.
And sometimes we reply, so check back after you write.
Your comment might even help another learner feel brave enough to write too.
So please write something, anything. We are waiting. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Seriously, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you.
You chose to practice English today. That is something to be proud of.
Every video you watch, every sentence you repeat, every comment you write.
You are growing. You are improving. Even when you don't feel it, it's happening.
So keep going. Don't stop. You are doing great.
And we have a brand new episode coming tomorrow, so make sure you are subscribed.
Hit that bell so YouTube tells you the moment it goes live. You don't want to miss it.
We will be here every day for you.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Stay confident.
And
Eid Mubarak.